Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin with safety and pool preparation. Wear chemical-resistant gloves and goggles, and store tablets dry and away from organic materials. Use 1 3-inch tablet per 5,000 gallons in a floater or chlorinator. Add tablets only after brushing and running the filter to circulate water. Maintain free chlorine at 13 ppm and test daily, adjusting dosage if levels drop. Keep pH between 7.2 and 7.6 and cyanuric acid near 30-50 ppm to optimize sanitizer efficacy and prevent irritation. For simple dosing, choose either a floating dispenser, inline chlorinator, or skimmer feeder rated for 3-inch tablets. Avoid dropping tablets directly into the pool when using metal ladders or steps. Use 1 3-inch tablet per 5,000 gallons in a floater or chlorinator, and reduce to 1/2 tablet for smaller pools or when combined with shock treatments. Maintain free chlorine at 13 ppm and test daily. Adjust number of tablets or move floater to a shaded area to slow dissolution. Keep records of additions. Monitor levels and respond quickly. Test free chlorine, pH, alkalinity, and cyanuric acid every morning during heavy use. Use 1 3-inch tablet per 5,000 gallons in a floater or chlorinator and replace tablets when they are 1/4 left to avoid overdosing. Maintain free chlorine at 13 ppm and test daily. If algae appears, shock to 10 ppm, then resume tablets. Keep pH between 7.2 and 7.6 and cyanuric acid near 30-50 ppm to prevent loss of chlorine effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.